This video uses a basic example to explain how scaling works in dashDB local. We're going to test the MPP elasticity of dashDB local. This is done by adding and removing nodes to the cluster. This increases or decreases the capacity and performance of the cluster by adding these or removing these nodes. Here we are going to use the system monitor in the web interface to see how many nodes are in the cluster that we're going to work with. As we can see here, there are 4 nodes. The next thing we have to do is stop the services. To do that, we have to log into the head node, in this case node 1, as root, and type in the Docker command to stop the services. In this case, what we're typing in is docker exec -it -db, which is the name of the instance, and stop. And there we can see all the steps that are happening to bring the services to a halt. Now we need to remove the node from the cluster, which is to modify the node's configuration file. As you can see here, I'm doing a vi on/mnt cluster fs/nodes. This will open up the file, and then I can do the appropriate editing. Here you can see the 4 nodes, the head node and the 3 data nodes. And what we're doing now is commenting out this last line. This is the node that we're removing from the cluster. And now we can restart the dashDB instance. We do this by issuing the start command. And here I am editing the previous stop command, changing the stop to a start, and then executing it. And then what follows is the log of the steps to restart the instance. I'll let the screen run for a little while so you can see all the various steps you would expect to see to a successful conclusion of the restart. And there we can see the array of the nodes, and we can see that we are in fact down to 3 nodes, so removing the node has been successful. And here we are finishing off the restart, and there it has been successful. That concludes the first part of the scaling videos. The second part will be how we scale out a game from 3 nodes to 4 nodes.